Let's get started. First, open Clipchamp and click on the button that says Create a Video with AI. The first thing you'll need to do is give your video a title. Just type it into the text box. In our case, I am typing Rabbit and Chicks, or whatever your video is about. Next, it's time to upload your media. Click on Add to Media or simply drag and drop your files into the window. Once you've selected your images or video clips, click Open. After your media is fully uploaded, go ahead and click on Get Started. Now comes the fun part: choosing a video style. This helps the AI understand the look and feel you want for your video. You can let Clipchamp decide by clicking Choose for Me, or you can personalize it by giving a thumbs up to the styles you like and thumbs down to the ones you don't. Once you're done, click Next. After that, you'll be asked to select the aspect ratio, either landscape or portrait, depending on where you plan to share the video. Then, choose your video length. Clipchamp will suggest the ideal duration based on your media, but you can pick a different option if you prefer. Once selected, a preview of your video will be generated. Just hit the play button to watch it and make sure it matches your vision. When you're ready, click Next. Now the AI will automatically pick background music and a font style for your video. Just a heads up, fonts may not appear if no text is applied to your video style. If you'd like to change the music, click on the Music button. Browse through the track list and use the Preview button to listen. When you find one you like, select it to apply it. Not a fan of music in your video? No problem, there's a No Music option too. If the video is using font, then you can change that too. In our case, font is not used. When you're done, hit the back arrow to return to the main screen. Next, it's time to preview your video again. Just click the play button and see how everything looks. If you're not satisfied with the result, no worries, you can click Create a New Version. The AI will rebuild your video using the same media but with a different arrangement or look. You can do this as many times as you like until you're completely happy with how your video turns out. Once you're ready, click Export. Clipchamp will process your video and save it directly to your device. But wait, if you want to make more advanced edits like adding text, effects, stickers, or transitions, Clipchamp gives you that option too. Click Edit in Timeline and you'll go directly into the main Clipchamp editor for further customization. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!